In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a custom text animation in Wix. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all of your design changes and control how your text appears on the page. Once your site is open, go to the section that contains the text you want to animate. Make sure you are working on the correct page and the correct text element before you continue, especially if your site has multiple text boxes with similar content. Next, select your text element. When you click on it, you should see the editing controls appear around the text. This confirms that the text box is active and ready to be adjusted. Selecting the correct element is important because the animation settings will apply only to the text you have chosen. After that, click the animation icon in the floating toolbar. This will open the animation options for that text element. Wix provides a range of built-in animation effects, and this panel is where you can explore them. The goal here is to choose a motion style that supports the design of your page without making the text difficult to read. Now choose an animation style. As you look through the available options, pick the one that best matches the feel of your website. For example, some animations are subtle and smooth, while others are more energetic and attention-grabbing. A lighter effect often works well for headings, subtitles, or short feature text because it adds movement without becoming distracting. Once you have selected a style, click Customize to adjust settings like duration, delay, and intensity. This is where you can make the animation feel more polished and intentional. Duration controls how long the effect lasts. Delay determines when the animation begins. Intensity changes how strong or noticeable the movement appears. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so it is a good idea to fine-tune these settings until the text feels natural on the page. Then click Preview to see the effect. This is an important part of the process because animations can look different in motion than they do in the settings panel. Watch how the text enters or moves, and make sure it is easy to read and fits the pace of the page. When you are happy with the result, click Publish. This saves your changes and makes the custom text animation live on your Wix site for visitors to see. That covers everything you need to know.